Hey guys, thanks for joining us today, and I'm going to show you how to clean your own octopus. Here's my chef Al, he's helping us out today. So grab your octopus, you can see that it's got the head and all the legs attached. And what you need to do is you need to just give it a good wash to start with. And if you have a look at the tentacles, they've got all this dirt inside them. So you really need to push out the tentacles. You're pushing and you can feel the hard piece inside there that's coming out. You want to be washing it in a stream of water and it comes out quite easily. Pushing, go to the next one, and you can see that it's coming out. It's basically the ink that's coming out of the tentacle, and it's quite hard, so you can feel it coming out. So you're washing it in the water, and you can even push it out like that with your hands as well. You can be quite rough with it, because you really, really want to push it out. You can feel it popping out. So guys, it's really like popping bubble wrap. You want to really push them out. You can see if they're clean, as if all the water comes clean from outside. Look, you can really see that they're lovely and clean. Now we're ready with that, and we've cleaned all the suckers out. As you can see, they're all lovely and clean, and they're lovely and soft. So you can see that the hard parts inside the sucker's been removed. You can see that in the water there. Al, can you remove that for me? Thank you. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut just underneath the eyes here so we can remove that beak. We're also just going to cut on top of the eyes as well so we can also clean inside the head. I'll just pop this to one side. And now we're just going to clean out everything in the head. Don't look if you feel squirmish. Most people say, oh, can you eat the head? I'm like, yeah, of course you can. So you just want to clean out all of that inside, pull out that, and there you have it. All lovely and clean. Can I get some fresh water there, Al? Yep. We'll just clean that all off, and there you have it. One clean octopus head. And then, now we're just going to turn this around and we're going to get rid of the hard beak. So this is how the octopus eats all its food. And that's the hard beak right there. Discard that. And there you have it, your cleaned octopus. And now what you really need to do is you really need to poach that in a poaching liquid for at least 30 to 35 minutes. So that will actually cook and tenderize the octopus. Then after that, you can put it onto a tray and char grill it afterwards. But that's how I would make it. And if you want to learn how to do that, you can have a look at my other video on char grilling octopus.